Digital assets has been growing immensely. The space has been fastly developing. Many companies are currently in the space, and it's just fascinating to be part of it. My name is Aline, and I'm going to tell you the 3 things you must plan for when investing in digital assets. One is, of course, taxation. The second part is succession planning, and the third part is financial planning. There is this famous saying of only 2 things in life are certain, which is death and taxes. And this is also for digital assets. So within the digital asset space, we have seen some really interesting movement because in the recent years, it was not quite clear how to report and tax digital assets in some countries. But right now, more and more countries are releasing legislation in the taxation framework. So there are 2 different options. Either the country or jurisdiction has already an established taxation framework and they just take digital asset into consideration, or they're releasing a whole new framework, especially for digital assets. Either way, it is really important to inform yourself and how you have to report and tax your digital assets. Millions of digital asset wealth is being lost every year, and the access is not guaranteed if you do not pass on information. If you do self-custody or if you use third-party custody, make sure that the information and the access for the digital assets are recorded somewhere safe and that your loved ones are informed. Financial planning is a really interesting topic because it touches the category of liquidity management. Liquidity management is basically to make sure you can still pay for things. In the digital asset space, currently we have a lot of crypto millionaires, which are considered very fortunate in the space. However, sometimes they forget that they have to pay their taxes in fiat currencies. So fiat currency basically is a currency that is backed by the government. So even though they are considered crypto millionaires in the space, make sure that you still can pay your taxes with some kind of fiat currency and that you have the liquidity available. So next to my role as business innovation specialist at Julius Baer, I'm studying to get my PhD at the University of Lausanne. The combination of my work and research gives me this unique, holistic view of blockchain technology and digital assets. When I started at Julius Baer, and I have to be honest here, I never thought I would work for a traditional bank. I was amazed to see how much they're doing in the space and how progressive they are. And engaging in the metaverse, for example, is exactly forming this bridge from the traditional finance world into the new one. I grew up in Zurich, in Switzerland, and it's an amazing place to be. Switzerland is very progressive when it comes to digital assets. Being located so close to the source of where so much innovation is happening in the blockchain space, it's just amazing and gives the business the best opportunity.